how to play Roblox without the mobile app. So if you want to play Roblox without the mobile app, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your browser. You can go with Safari or any other browser. And here you need to search for Roblox. After searching, you need to tap on www.roblox.com. And as you can see, that here you will have continue in app or continue in browser. You need to tap on continue in browser, which is on the bottom. And once you tap on continue in browser, it will ask you to log into your account. So you just need simply enter your username, email, or your phone number, and then your password and log into your account. And after logging into your Roblox, you'll be able to use your Roblox without the mobile application. But what we need to do is just simply go with the bottom left where we have the roblox.com. On the bottom, we have roblox.com, right? So on the left side, you will have an interface. You need to tap on it. And here you will have this kind of interface. So you need to go with the bottom right, which has that three dots again. And from here, you need to go with request desktop site. And once you have your desktop site, you can go and log into your Roblox on your desktop site and play Roblox without the mobile app. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.